Okay kids, welcome back to the shop. Today we're working on an American level. I found this in my father-in-law's basement. As you can see, it's dirty, it's moldy. The glazing needs repaired. We're not going to mess with the glazing. What we're going to do is we're going to resurrect this thing. Now the way I understand it is these were made out of mahogany and the edges were either stainless steel or they were brass. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this up. I'm going to use a wire brush, I'm going to use some steel wool, and then the cleaning agent I'm going to use is good old linseed oil. Sit back and let's see what happens. I am using a Scotch-Brite and some sandpaper. I have 80 grit and 220 grit. I'm keeping everything doused in the linseed oil. This is working out really well. Here we go, guys. Turned out really nice. And it really didn't take me all that long. You see the edges are beat up. He was a bricklayer, so he used this thing. And then the ends, right here, I was trying to clean this up. This is concrete, which makes sense. So this, like I said, this turned out really nice. I hope you liked this short video. I enjoyed doing this project. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.